The greatest wealth is to live content with little. Financial peace isn't about being a millionaire overnight, it's about mastering the fundamentals of money. In this video, we're diving deep into the core principles of financial success. We'll be tackling everything from setting smart goals to understanding the ins and outs of securing a business loan. It's time to take control of your financial destiny. Let's kick things off by going back to basics. Money's been around for centuries, evolving from bartering to coins to paper, and now digital currencies. It's a representation of value, a means of exchange that's been the backbone of economies for millennia. Understanding the characteristics of money is crucial. It needs to be durable, divisible, portable, uniform, limited in supply, and acceptable as a form of payment. By studying the past, we can learn from the mistakes and successes of others. Remember the gold standard, the Great Depression? These events shaped our financial systems. The history of money is a story of innovation and adaptation. From the ancient barter systems to the rise of digital currencies, humans have always sought better ways to exchange goods and services. The more you understand the essence of money, its roots, and how it's transformed over time, the better equipped you'll be to manage it effectively. So let's dive into the nitty-gritty of building a solid financial foundation together. Now, let's talk about your mindset. Your mindset is like the software that runs your financial life. If you've got a scarcity mindset, you're constantly thinking there's not enough to go around. But here's the good news. You can change your mindset. You can choose to adopt a growth mindset. This means believing that you can learn, grow, and improve your financial situation. It's about seeing opportunities where others see obstacles. Think of it like learning a new language or a musical instrument. It takes time, effort, and a whole lot of practice. But with persistence and the right attitude, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. A growth mindset empowers you to take control of your financial destiny. You become more open to learning new things, taking calculated risks, and bouncing back from setbacks. So ditch that scarcity mindset and embrace a growth mindset. Because when you believe in yourself, anything is possible. All right, folks, let's talk goals. You wouldn't drive across the country without a map, would you? The same goes for your financial journey. You need a clear destination and a roadmap to get there. That's where SMART goals come in. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Each element is critical to setting yourself up for success. Let's break it down. Specific. Don't just say, I want to save more money. Be specific. How much do you want to save and what are you saving for? Measurable. You need a way to track your progress. How will you measure your savings growth? Achievable. Be realistic. Don't set goals that are so far out of reach that you get discouraged. Relevant. Your goals should align with your values and what's important to you. And finally, time-bound. Give yourself a deadline. This creates urgency and keeps you accountable. The key is to revisit your goals regularly, make adjustments as needed, and stay focused on the big picture. So take the time to define your goals, write them down, and watch your financial dreams become a reality. Okay, business owners, this one's for you. You're hustling, building your empire, and that's fantastic. But let's talk about the future, your retirement. I know, retirement might seem like a lifetime away, but trust me, it sneaks up on you faster than you think. As entrepreneurs, we often pour every ounce of energy and every dime we have back into our businesses. And while that's admirable, it's crucial not to neglect your own financial well-being in the process. Retirement planning is not a luxury, folks, it's a necessity. There are alternative options available, like simplified employee pension, SEP, IRAs, and solo 401ks, specifically designed for small business owners and self-employed individuals. The key is to start early. The sooner you begin contributing to a retirement account, the more time your money has to grow. Compound interest is a powerful force, folks. Take the time to explore your retirement plan options, consult with a financial advisor, and create a solid plan for your golden years. Now, let's talk about a skill that's often overlooked in the financial world: communication. Effective communication can make or break your financial success. Whether you're negotiating a business deal, presenting a financial plan, or simply having a conversation with your spouse about money, clear and concise communication is key. By honing your communication skills, you can avoid costly mistakes, build stronger relationships, and ultimately achieve greater financial success. Start by being an active listener. Really pay attention to what others are saying, ask clarifying questions, and make sure you understand their perspective. Then, when it's your turn to speak, be clear, concise, and respectful. By mastering this vital skill, you'll be well on your way to building stronger financial relationships and achieving your financial goals. Listen up, folks. In the world of finance, the learning never stops. The financial landscape is constantly changing. New technologies emerge, markets fluctuate, and regulations evolve. To stay ahead of the curve and make informed financial decisions, you've got to be a lifelong learner. Think of it like this. Your financial knowledge is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. But if you let it sit idle, it'll weaken over time. That's why it's crucial to continuously invest in your financial education. Start by reading books, listening to podcasts, and attending seminars on topics that interest you. Stay informed about market trends, new investment opportunities, and changes in tax laws. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the complexities of the financial world and achieve your financial goals. Embrace the journey of lifelong learning in finance. You've heard the saying, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with, right? Well, let me tell you, that couldn't be truer when it comes to your finances. The people you surround yourself with have a profound impact on your financial mindset, habits, and ultimately, your success. If you're hanging around folks who are constantly in debt, living paycheck to paycheck, and complaining about money, guess what? Their negative energy will rub off on you. On the other hand, if you surround yourself with ambitious, financially savvy individuals who are driven to succeed, their positive energy will inspire and motivate you to up your own financial game. Building a creative financial network is about more than just rubbing shoulders with wealthy individuals. Seek out mentors who can guide you, peers who can challenge you, and collaborators who can help you achieve your financial aspirations. Be intentional about the company you keep. Build relationships with people who inspire you, and watch your financial well-being soar. All right, folks, let's talk about the importance of finding a financial mentor. A mentor is like having a financial Yoda by your side, guiding you on your journey to financial success. They've been there, done that, and have the wisdom and experience to help you avoid costly mistakes and achieve your financial goals faster. Now, you might be thinking, Giuseppe, where do I find this financial Yoda? Well, start by looking around you. Do you know any successful business owners, investors, or financial professionals who you admire? Don't be afraid to reach out to them and ask for guidance. Share your financial goals with them, ask for their insights and experiences, and be open to their feedback. A good mentor will challenge you, hold you accountable, and celebrate your successes along the way. Look for someone who aligns with your values, understands your financial goals, and is willing to invest the time and energy in your growth. Find your financial Yoda and let their wisdom guide you on your path to financial freedom. At some point in your entrepreneurial journey, you might need a little financial boost to take your business to the next level. That's where business loans come in. One common type of business loan is a collateral loan. Collateral is basically an asset that you pledge as security for the loan. Think of it like a safety net for the lender. If you default on the loan, the lender has the right to seize the collateral to recoup their losses. Common types of collateral include real estate, equipment, inventory, and even accounts receivable. The type and value of collateral you can offer will impact the loan amount, interest rate, and other loan terms. Before you rush into securing a collateral loan, it's crucial to understand the risks involved. If you're unable to repay the loan, you could lose your valuable assets. Carefully consider the risks and rewards before signing on the dotted line. All right, folks, let's dive deeper into the world of collateral loans and explore the pros and cons. On the plus side, collateral loans often come with lower interest rates compared to unsecured loans. Additionally, collateral loans can be easier to qualify for, especially if you have a limited credit history or a less than perfect credit score. Collateral loans can also provide access to larger loan amounts, giving your business the capital it needs to expand, invest in new equipment, or hire additional staff. However, it's crucial to be aware of the downsides. The most significant risk is the potential loss of your collateral. If your business faces unexpected challenges, and you're unable to make your loan payments, you could lose your valuable assets. Another drawback is that collateral loans often involve a more lengthy and complex application process. Carefully consider your business's financial health, your ability to repay the loan, and the potential consequences of defaulting. We've covered a lot of ground today, folks, from the history of money to the importance of mentorship and the ins and outs of collateral loans. Remember, financial success isn't about luck. It's about mastering the fundamentals, adopting a growth mindset, and making informed decisions. Take the principles we've discussed today and apply them to your own finance